These simple kids music videos get a lot of views on YouTube every single month. This because they are funny and they are also interesting. What if I told you YouTube can create sad videos without any difficulty like this?
Happy paws, soft and small, counting one to hear them call in the play.
Yes, just by using simple AI tools for free. This video you see right here were uploaded on YouTube some few days ago, and you can tell how many views they have on this video. It's so simple to do and so easy to do. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do these videos, from getting the videos ideas, making the song using free AI tools, and creating the video using Canva, all for free. So let's get started. So to create sad videos, you first need to generate songs ideas for this video, and you can do that in two ways. The first way is by brainstorming to come up with your videos ideas or your songs ideas, and then develop the songs into videos. So we have this 5 songs ideas that I have brainstormed, but if you think you cannot do it yourself, then we head over to chatgpt.com to assist us do that, and that is the second way you can do that. So we said give me 5 song ideas for kids and give me the tune and the ideas. 5 songs listed here on ChatGPT, and each of these songs has its own ideas and tune. So let's copy one and give it a try. So we copy the tune first and we head over to sonorai.com. That is where all the magic will start. We click on the make song button, and then we click on the create button, but you first need to sign up if you don't have an account. So we paste our tune there, and we come back and copy the idea and also paste it there. So this time, since we have our tune and we have an idea, the AI is going to create the lyrics for us or generate the lyrics for us. And this platform, we are using the free version, so we always get 50 credits every day that you can use. But if you want more than that, then you can go for the premium version. So we click on the create button, and in some few seconds our song will be ready. It always generates 2 songs at the same time, different rhythm. So if you don't like it, then you can you can click on the create button again and create another one. But as you're creating it, your credit also reduces. Now our song is ready. We can go ahead and listen to it, and if you finish listening to the song and you're okay with that, then we can go ahead to download that.
Come on, everybody, let's dance in the jungle.
Now let's try the second way. Okay, so we have another prompt that we want to give it a try. So let's head over to our document and then click on the second prompt. You can pause the video and then read what we have there. So we paste it here and then ask ChatGPT to develop or generate the lyrics for us. So this time we have the lyrics in verses and chorus, so that it will make everything easy. So you can go through the lyrics. If there's something that you need to add or subtract, you can copy it and go and edit that before you can generate that as song. So we go ahead and then copy our lyrics, our first verse, and then the chorus as well, and head over to Sono AI and start generating the song. So this time, because we are not asking the AI to generate the lyrics for us, we are going to click on the custom mode button and accept the terms and conditions, and then we come back to chatgpt.com, copy the first verse and the chorus together, and go back to Sono AI and paste it there. Now we can go ahead and then choose the style of the music. Since these are keys songs we are creating, we can choose any style related to keys, and then we can also give our title to the song. So we go back to ChatGPT, copy our title back to Sono AI and paste it there. Then we can go ahead and click on the create button and create our song. This will take you some few seconds and your song will be ready. Alright, so our song is ready. We can go ahead and listen to the first option and the second option to see whether it's okay. If it's not okay, that's not what you're looking for, then we can go ahead and create again till we get the rhythm we want. Okay,
Soft and small, counting one to hear them call in the playground, a joyful sound.
but if you're okay with it, then we can go ahead and generate the second verse. So what we're gonna do is to click on that 3 dots at the right side of the song, and we click on continue video and go back to chatgpt.com and copy our second verse and the chorus together, just as we did for the first and the second verse. So we copy that and we go back to Sono AI and paste it there. So before we paste the new one, you have to select the old one in the description section section and delete it before we paste the new one. So I've emptied our description section. Now we can go ahead and paste the new song or the second verse with the chorus together. Then we can just click on the continue button. This time we are not clicking on create button. Click on the continue button. It creates the second verse for us. We still have the opportunity to listen to the second verse, and we choose again. Then we click on the button, the three dots again, so that we can generate the third verse. So if you're okay with the song, you don't have any problem, we click on it again, click on continue from here. Then we go ahead and paste the third verse in the description section, just as we did for the second verse. Then we click on the continue button to generate the song for us. So now we have three verses here. We have the first verse, second verse, and the third verse. What we're gonna do right now is to upload the video, but we can listen to it again to see if you're cool with it. Then we can go ahead to start downloading our song. So you can download the videos one after the other if you want it in pieces, but if you don't want that, then we can go ahead and download all the songs at a go. That's the full video. So we go ahead to go to the last video we created, right click on the small dot there and choose get whole song. Okay, if you choose that option, it will download all the three verses at a go for you. It is now time for us to generate our videos, and what we're gonna do is to head over to canva.com to do the rest of the magic, because we cannot upload only audio on YouTube. We need to have video. So we're gonna choose the video template here because it has a YouTube aspect ratio. We tap on it and then we go to Canva to start doing the magic thing.
Wait, have you subscribed to this channel yet? Click on the subscribe button to subscribe for free, and then click on the notification bell. Your subscription makes a huge difference. Thank you for your support. Let's continue.
So what we're gonna do is to head over to our upload section to first upload our audio. So we click on upload button, go to audio, and then go to your file where you downloaded the audio and upload it on Canva. Now we can go ahead and add it to our timeline and stretch the timeline or the page to the end of the audio you have just added. Now we can listen to the audio and do some splitting of the pages. Okay, maybe you want to add different scenes because you cannot just do it one way. So we're gonna do some few splitting by right clicking at the particular point where you want to split and click on split page. Okay, so if you listen and you feel like splitting a particular page and add different scene, you do that. Okay, but let's do, before we start splitting the page, let's design the background. So we go to the element section, we click on cartoon background and choose any of these three backgrounds, so and add it to our background. So what we're going to do is to animate our background to make it nicer and attractive. Okay, so we're going to add some few animations. So we'll go back to our search button, but let's change the green to blue. Okay, since we have some blue in our lyrics. Okay, so we just listen to the lyrics and make sure your background and your element corresponds to the song. Okay, so we're gonna add some few animation. We have sun in the song, so we're gonna click on the sun. It's already animated, so you don't need to do anything again. You just fix it there to make it more lovely. Then we can go ahead and add some few other things to make it, or element to make it lovely. Okay, so let's still go to our search bar and type something there. So we're gonna type puppy because those are the elements that we will be using, or the main characters for this song. So we type and then we look for the free one. Since we are using the free version, we have the premium elements or images and the free ones. So just make sure you are using the free ones unless you have the premium version. So we add some few changes to the color of these puppies. Okay, so we just tap on it and go to the color box up there and choose the color that you want to change. Okay, so if you want to change the brown to black, you just tap on the brown and you go to the color palette or box and then choose the color you want to replace with the brown or the white. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add more puppies or duplicate the puppies we have there. So at this point you have to just play with the element so you come out with something beautiful. So that's what we are doing. We click on that plus button there and we will duplicate our puppies. Okay, so where do you think this puppy should be? You just have to be creative about all these things. So it's not just one way. You can flip the puppies to face different directions. So the two puppies at the right side are facing different direction, and and then the other two on the left are also facing different direction. At this point, we are going to place this page. Okay, we're going to add different animations there. So let's add some butterflies or animate our puppies first. So let's animate the puppies. We click on the animate button and choose the puppy that we want to animate. Okay, then we click on the wiggle effect to make them wiggle. Okay, so all our puppies are moving. They are not just standing or sitting watching us, but they are also participating in the activities in the background. Okay, so let's add some butterflies. Since we said the puppy chased a butterfly in the song, happily chasing a butterfly in the song, so we're gonna add a butterfly, and we are going to animate the butterfly, make it move from one side to the other. Okay, and we are going to make the dog chase the butterfly. Okay, so you let the butterfly move in the path that you want it to move. If you don't like it, we can go ahead and click on the delete path to create a different path for it. Now let's animate the dog. So we click on the animate button too, and then move the dog or drag the dog to follow the butterfly. Okay, so this is what we have in the second scene. So when you're done animating, we can go ahead and add some text to our song. Okay, since we have numbers in the song, we can go ahead and add some numbers to our song. Okay, remember the song is for kids to enable kids to count as they sing. So we have 1 and 2 there. So we follow the same steps to create the second scene for the second verse too. So the second verse, we have happy to have slide in it, and we have two puppies that are supposed to play on the slide. So we're gonna go ahead and insert the slide and change the color of the slide to our taste or to correspond with the background. Okay, so since the slide is blue and the background too is blue, that is why we decide to change the slide to pink. Now we can go ahead to move the puppy to the front of the slide. So we move the puppy close to the slide and right click on the puppy, click on the layout button and choose front. Okay, so now we have our puppy on the slide. We can go ahead and animate the two puppies. We can also do the same thing for the other puppy, also make it front as well. So now we can go ahead and animate the puppy. So we click on each of the puppy and click on the animate button, move the puppy on the slide one after the other as if they are playing on the slide. Okay, so we go ahead and add some few text to our videos to make it more lovely. So this is a simple and a smart way to create simple kids videos without any difficulty. So wait, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss information. Subscribe to also support the channel as well. So when you're done with everything, click on the share button. We choose download and we maintain the MP4 and click on download, and in some few seconds our video will be downloaded onto our drive and we can upload that onto our YouTube channel. So we are done creating our video. Now let's look at how the video looks like.
In a park so sunny with the sky so blue, puppy paws parade a happy playful crew. One little pup wagging its tail with glee, chasing butterflies as happy as can be. Puppy paws soft and small, counting 1 to hear them call. In the playground a joyful sound, puppy paws parade a happy playful crew. At the slide, climbing so high, zooming down together, reaching for the sky. 3 chase their tails in a whirlwind of fun, counting 1, 2, 3 under the warm sun. Puppy paws soft and small, counting 1 to hear them call. In the playground a joyful sound, puppy paws dancing around. 3 pups at the seesaw, up and down they go, together, putting on a show. 5 little tails wagging in delight, counting 1, 2, 3 in the soft sunlight. Puppy paws soft and small, counting 1 to hear them call. In the playground, a joyful sound.
So, what do you think about this video? Is it something you would like to try? Let me know that in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share. Wait, don't go yet. If you haven't watched our previous video, that will pop up now. Click on it and watch now.